Hello guys, welcome my YouTube channel. Today's video is introduction of social media marketing. Play from CPC corporate by user traffic difficulty social media learning object key travelers key points. Social media is exponent of Web 2.0 technology with content suggested with more possible down technology is Web 1.0 web page, especially social media factor rich experience. They make content open it collection different type of social media increase social network web blog content means and product especially the available of system network to progress amount to work increase collective group increase from individual to opening close marketing cooling internet topic message community search from chat room a blog interest propping internal response to recorded normal discount what is social media social media and create platform in content display and individual of the web professors and Merchant House is SCP Euro Business School defined Web 2.0 and that allow creation and exchange user generated content social media web and particular network target technical such blog social network sites with last network vertical marketing and entrance before them 2.0 web concept 1999 internet page actual mostly start content such as graphic web and open 1.0 technology where web hosted our we the primary concept online information targets the mostly that receive other content over that introduction of web technology of 21st social network version blog allow user internet with age vertical communicate just more method social media along with top down especially social media behemoth of web 2.0 website provide rich one-times content openings collection increase active social media users for tech advanced that allow them like create to post image and upload it user information select group publicity access the web how to make user near their social media has grown great the USA and around the world due in blank of technology and social interest the correct value type of social media. Some of the most popular currently from social media are marketing websites, Facebook, which suspended our billion active monthly users October 2012. The service type of online platform Facebook, the umbrella social media discoverability increase social network website allow user building web page, secure personal platform increase page this page friendly collection the users media content community example of social network increase Facebook like MySpace and Weibo. Instagram now suspend Twitter amount of user data is down of tweet include imaging 150% more changing the is are also new networks such as can with guarantee ways use blog most popular teams special blogs are often viewers online juniors the content overridden materials category user can also make blogger tumblr microblog are blogging tools that picture short post is offset to junior style posted user are usually related to posting of a new line of text uploaded individual imaging and video Microsoft Yang site Twitter Tumblr where social networks such Facebook MySpace also yes on a microblogging content community using on content community organization share different type of tangible image and video YouTube vector and example of content community with wiki website allow community space of edit learn object detection how social media increase trend customer care key point parent activity social media business allow anyone every to express to option learning object keyword tracking digital marketing posted through post watch online communication digital marketing creator post digital marketing other type of digital marketing type of internet advertiser type of inter advertising display advertising affiliate marketing social media search engine marketing SEO mobile advertising search engine optimization SEO mobile marketing so thanks for watching subscribe my channel for latest update